Hello everybody, how are you? Today I am going to share some very important and useful information with you all. Before I start, let you know that the slides content has been taken from WHO website, not prepared by me. It means assured you that the information shared through this website, through this video are 100% authentic and genuine. You may also visit to the website of World Health Organization. Under the slide, under this video, I am going to discuss how to put on, use, take off and dispose a mask. Nowadays you can see number of people are using mask and roaming here and there on the road. Some people, like maximum people are following the lockdown, but most of us are not following. So those who are outside, so how to use a mask, when to use a mask first. For healthy people, wear a mask only if you are taking care of a person with suspected 2019 new COVID infection. Means if you are in touch, if either you are a doctor or in police, or like if you are in touch with the infected person, then you are allowed to use mask. Rest, if you are at home, there is no need to use the mask. Wear a mask if you're coughing or sneezing. Yep, if you are at home, then when you are allowed to use the mask, when you have symptoms like this, you're coughing and sneezing, then you can use the mask. Masks are effective only when used in combination with the frequent hand cleaning with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. Means masks are going to be effective only when you are frequently washing your hands. Means go and wash your hands whenever you touch any unidentified object which you think so there the particular object may have the virus. So go there and wash the hands. Before putting on a mask, clean hands again. Means when you put a mask, when you're about to put a mask, after putting the mask, just go and clean your hands. Cover mouth and nose with the mask. Make sure there are no gaps between your face and the mask. Means cover, you have to cover your mask. There must be no gaps. As you can see in this picture, this is smiley. Means if you are not allowed to use any loose mask. Means whenever you use masks, make sure that the particular mask is fit with the face and there must not be any gap. Next, avoid touching the mask while using it. If you have already worn the mask, then do not touch it. And by mistake, if you do so, then what you have to do, same thing, clean your hand with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. Yep. WHO mentioned this one, alcohol-based based hand rub means hand sanitizer. It doesn't mean that you're going to market and going to purchase alcohol bottle and going to rub your hands. No, this is not there. It's not necessary. Not necessary, and it's not, you can say that it's a prohibited. You're not allowed to, because we are Indians and we think extraordinary. Replace the mask with a new one as soon as it is damp, and do not reuse single-use mask. Means if you're using single-use mask, what type of mask is single-use? Such type of papers one. So if you're using single-use mask, then use it once. You're not allowed to use the mask twice or thrice, and after using, don't forget to dump the mask or dispose the mask. It's mandatory and it's necessary to dispose the mask, otherwise you're going to invite the virus. To remove the mask, how you have to remove the mask? Remove it from the behind. Means remove it from the behind, not from the front. Do not touch the front of the mask. Discard immediately in a closed bin. Make sure you have to discard it in a closed bin. You are not going to throw it on the roadside and any other places. You have to discard it on closed bin. Clean hands. Again, after disposing the mask, clean hands with alcohol-based rub or soap and water. So these are the information about the mask, how you have to use the mask. I believe that you will follow. Thank you very much.